Hey guys, it's Travel. I'm back again with another 2-package Mailday. This package is from CNC. Bottom package is from nuddymud. So let's do it. This is another $19 break I joined. I ended up getting optional, I think. I did okay, not the best. And there's my other speaker. I did okay. So, card in order. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the retros, OP2 retros, awareness, Thomas Vanek, and Tyler Myers. My hit of the break was a souvenirs quad jersey of Ryan Miller, Derek Roy, Drew Stafford, and Jason Palmer. That's pretty much it. Okay. So it was an okay break. So onto nuddymud package we traded. That's pretty cool. I think it's our second trade that we have done. So thank you guys for coming out. It's a great trader. Thanks for the trade. Good to meet you there. nuddymud. So for the card we traded was this Robert Mayer Hot Rookie Gold. If you're asking, like his auto was a Hamilton Gold up. So yeah, like Gabriel Dumont Hot Rookies. And then Sneakers Advantage Jack. Yeah, Sneakers Advantage Jack. Rookie Materials Jersey. And then his bit of his trade is Corey Crawford, Certified Mirror Gold, number 1225. Pretty much it. Look at watch all of them out. Pretty nice card. All these cards, except for these two hot rookies, also trade guys and go check them out. He's a great trader. Yeah, see you guys next time.